Hello viewers, this is Tara from Legal Bonding channel. For the grounds for divorce, we are seeing the cruelty. Then physical cruelty refers the act or conduct that causes harm physically and poses a threat to your life. There is a harmful behavior comes under the physical cruelty. Mental cruelty refers infliction of emotional or psychological distress on one spouse by the other spouse. It's a behavior, conduct, nature, talking vulgar languages, and then various forms, constant humiliation, verbal abuse, harassment, neglect, the threats or persistence or and all comes under the mental cruelty. And the concept of mental cruelty is subjective and depends on the facts and circumstance of each cases. There is no exhaustive list of acts or behaviors that constitute the mental cruelty. Mostly the mental cruelty is dealt by the physically and mentally ill peoples. They do the mental cruelty towards the spouse. It comes under verbal abuse and humiliation. This persistent use of derogatory language, insults, or constant berating of the spouse, and threats and intimidation, regularly subjecting the spouse to threats of physical harm, emotional blackmail, and emotional abandonment, neglecting the emotional needs of the spouse, showing complete indifference, or engaging in emotional detachment, harassment and stalking, monitoring, or excessive surveillance of the spouse, causing fear and distress, creating a panic situation to the spouse always, and constant criticism and ridicule, regularly belittling or mocking the spouse abilities, appearance, or character, and social isolation, deliberately isolating the spouse from family, friends, or social support networks, leading to the loneliness feelings and making them to feel sick physically, mentally, and unreasonable demands and controls, exerting excessive control over spouse actions, denial of basic rights and amenities, withholding financial support, denying access to basic amenities, intentionally creating living conditions and detrimental to the spouse well-beings, and it's all coming under the mental cruelty. It is important to note that the courts consider the cumulative effects of various acts and behaviors when determining mental cruelty. The mental cruelty must provide evidence and demonstrate that the cruelty has reached a level of where it has made the continuation of the marriage intolerable. These and all comes and the grounds for divorce, and then it